Hello everyone, YouTubers, enthusiasts, wherever you are. So this is the channel Filipino Engineer in America. So I know I've done a lot of videos about cooking and stuff like that. And now, uh, the title of the video is Rat Race Edition. Well, let's define what is a rat race. Well, it's a term in America that is being used, the corporate world, you know, everyone is outdoing each other, it's just like a race, literally. When you, when you, it's just like literally a rat race, like rats running, outdoing each other. So, but it's a coin term for corporate. It's a terminology in the corporate America. So a lot of expats also, left their job, went to other countries, especially in the Southeast Asian nation like the Philippines, Thailand, and so on. But but here I am in America. I'm a Filipino, born and raised in Manila. So I'm here. I got my family here, but I'm living alone now. So I'm nearing retirement. So I'm just doing what I want to do. What makes you happy. And it's important that you be happy in what you do in your life. Otherwise, you just you know gonna do uh your activities every day. It's all the same, so it's gonna be boring. So I'm doing this video because, like I said, the title is the Rat Race Edition. I'm not I'm not uh I'm not doing that or practicing that or what. I just let them do whatever they want, my fellow uh co-workers or whoever, here in America. It doesn't, it's not about fulfillment, that you are in a position, you're being employed, and you're getting your salary. So if you love your job, then it's not a job anymore. And at this point in time, I've been holding back. I have this, I don't know if it is called a dream, but I have this motivation to you know, travel while I'm able, to travel when I'm still, capable. So I am gonna do this now. I hope it's not late, but it's here. 6 years ago, I was saying to myself, "Oh yeah, I'm gonna not gonna stay in an apartment, or rent a space, and eventually I'm just paying the landlord. The landlord is just keeping my money, and it's not going anywhere. So I decided, like right now, 2024, that I'm gonna start traveling. And in my future videos, you're gonna see the transformation and the things that I want to do, you know, the things that I want to learn every day, you know, learn, learning is an everyday process, you know. So I'm gonna travel. I'm gonna buy a travel trailer, and I'm gonna pull that trailer using my vehicle right now, which is an SUV, which and and I will do travel and at the same time shoot videos, post my videos in my YouTube channel, which is this one, the Filipino Engineer in America. And shout out to all the Filipinos, whether in America or a different country. Well, of course, the Philippines. You know, 2 years ago I visited the Philippines, and it's totally different, and I love it. I love the people. You know, I love my fellow Filipinos. You know, I love the food. You know. Eventually, I'm gonna go back and probably retire back in the Philippines. You know, and live uh, live within my social security. You know, pension. But right now, I want to travel in the continental USA. You know, north to south, east to west. You know, so I'm gonna do this because I want to do this. I love to do this. I've been planning to do this 6 years ago, and now it's happening. I'm getting a travel trailer, and watch for my videos, you know. It will be exciting, you know. I'm gonna do stuff, you know, like DIY stuff, you know, tips and tricks, you know, and as well as places, you know, that you've never seen. You know, I'm gonna go travel, boondocking. That's what they call. I'm gonna go to campgrounds. I'm gonna go uh, uh, dry camping. You know, where when there's no hookups. You know, hookups are those. You know, you could plug in your electric and your water source, uh, and you have to pay for that. You know. Boondocking is like dry camping, so you're out there, the outdoors, you know. You're just gonna rely on your resources. So it's gonna be fun. I hope you're gonna support my channel. Oh, yeah. Speaking of channels, you know, I don't know if you have watched one of the videos from YouTube, you know, about this doctor, you know. He graduated from MIT. He's a surgeon of brain and spine. He studied medicine for 10 years, and then he practiced being a surgeon for 10 years, but he's not happy, you know. He's just young, but he's younger than me, and he just quit, you know. And all of a sudden he just quit, you know. And he wants to do what he wants to do, you know. I don't know, maybe he's burnout or what, but you know, like I said, you know, do what you want to do while you're capable or even younger. Okay, much of that, but I'll promise you I'm gonna post videos for all of you guys, you know. I hope you be entertained and learn something from me and support my channel. If you have a comments, just post it in the comment section. Also, if you are watching this video, just comment where you are from, you know, just put it out there, below the comment section. Where are you watching, which country or which city in the world? So anyway, I will see you on my next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It will support my channel, and that's all I need to ask from you. It's like and subscribe. So I will see you on the next video, and bye.